This is introduction to Android Studio. Search for download Android Studio and get the latest for your PC or Mac. Okay, so here the latest is Android Studio Jellyfish. Okay, so you have to agree with the terms, right? And then download, then install. Then after you run for the first time, you'll see this welcoming screen, Android Studio Setup Wizard. Okay, you have to agree to the license. For example, here there are two licenses, Android SDK license, click accept. And if you click on Intel Android Extra license, you have to accept that as well, and then finish. And then there will be another set of files that need to be downloaded. So overall, the installation is quite heavy because there are many files need to be downloaded. For the exercise, we are going to explore a few functions and actions that you can perform. Here I start off with a new project, and I suggest we use this navigation drawer view activity. Okay, so if you choose that, and then next you give it a name, use your name, for example Imran. This is let's say my file number 20. Okay, then for the language you can choose Java or Kotlin. Here I choose Kotlin, and then minimum SDK I just leave it as it is. So Android 8 and above will be capable on running the output. Okay, and then you click finish. And then your Android will start to download some files. So again, you have to be patient while it is downloading. If you look at the structure of the files, okay, they are organized in a lot of subfolders. So later on, we'll be talking about some of the folders here. Okay, so you have to wait until it finish downloading all the resources, and after that you can actually preview by opening a file called, okay, activity main.xml. Okay, so if you look at this, after you finish download after the software finish downloading the resources, under layout you can find the file activity underscore main.xml. Okay, this file is showing you the visual. Okay, for example, here if I open the activity main.xml, okay, this is what I get. Your project will be consisting on basic element like image and then menu. So the menu is already built for you. Okay, one of the fastest way to find a file is you can search. Okay, for example, if you can't find your activity file, you can actually use the speed search. Okay, under the speed search you can look for the word activity. So this is the faster way to look for any particular file. You can expand all or you can collapse. So once you expand by searching the word activity, it will highlight the file name main activity. So it found all the occurrence of the word activity in the list of file. So the one that you need to edit is activity.xml. Okay, so once you open it, to see the visual, can you look at this particular icon at the top right corner? Okay, so here there are three icons. One is you can view the source code only. Then you can use the split mode. So the split mode, if your screen is wide enough, you can see this preview. but this preview is not clickable. To make it clickable, you have to run it on a device. Okay, the faster way to run your application is by running it on a real phone. Okay, this is what we call as pairing your phone with Android. Okay, so if you don't have Android, don't worry, you can choose any of these virtual device, but it will take a longer time. Okay, so here my phone is already linked. Okay, if you don't have an Android, you can choose either of these, but it will take a longer time because it need to be loaded. Okay, it need to be run virtually on your computer, so it will take a lot of resources. So the option, if you have Android, you should pair it using Wi-Fi. The condition is both your PC and phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, so the easiest way is we can do it in MMU, or if your home have Wi-Fi, then both must be connected to the same Wi-Fi service, and then scan this QR code to connect your phone. Use your camera, scan the QR code, and then you can pair by using the developer option. Okay, how to get to developer option? Okay, we'll come to that. In your phone, you have to search for developer option. Okay, the developer option sometimes is hidden. You need to activate it for the first time. Okay, to know how to activate your developer option or mode, you search in Google the name or the model of your phone. For example, Samsung A55, and then search for the phrase activate developer mode. Depend on the model, it will have different way on how you can activate the developer mode. Okay, so after you activated the developer mode, you can activate the Wi-Fi debugging. Okay, so here activate developer mode. That next you want to find out how to do the Wi-Fi debugging. Okay, so you can search. The next step is how to activate your Wi-Fi debugging in your particular model. So there will be some people out there who have make some easy instruction for you to activate the Wi-Fi debugging mode. Okay, so search for your phone model, and then you can connect your Android Studio to your phone. Okay, next, how to show the screen of your phone in Android Studio. Okay, this is accessible by go to the file and then setting and then device mirroring. So if you activate the device mirroring, just tick all these three options. Okay, what happened is your phone will appear on your PC. Okay, via Wi-Fi. Okay, this is how you pair your phone with Android Studio. So you search wireless debugging, and it is under developer option. So you have to enable developer option by following the instruction based on your model. Wireless debugging is under here. Wireless debugging tab, connect to Wi-Fi. So make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. Okay, so that will be popping this dialog box. Okay, always allow, and then okay. So wireless debugging are enabled. Now we can actually scan the QR code via your camera. So go to your camera, and then point your camera to the QR code. Okay, tap here, alright, and then follow the next instruction. If let's say it is still not connected, what you can do is you can restart your phone, restart your Android Studio, or restart your phone. Okay, so now I'm connected, and then I'll scan, and then also try pair using pairing code. If you successfully pair your device, it will look like this. I can see my device in my Android Studio. And if you can't see it, it's here, running devices. If you click that icon, it's hidden. Click again, it is shown. To preview your apps in your phone, make sure it's already connected. If it's not connecting, you can restart your Android Studio or you can restart your phone and repeat the same procedure where you go to here and then pair device using Wi-Fi. For example, here I'm already connected my phone here. So all you have to do is hit the play button somewhere here. Okay, I already clicked the play button, so it will appear in my phone. So this is the app in my phone. And as you can see, I can navigate from here, home, photo, put something about, put your own photo. Okay, and then if you tap on other screen, okay, so here you can see that the icon of the app can also be set. Okay, to set the icon of your app, go to the app, right click and then new, and then look for image asset. Okay, so here you can choose a new image to be your icon. Okay, for example, here path change point to the image that you want to use. Okay, locate and select the logo, preferably square logo. Okay, then you have to resize. So now it fits. Next, the background of the icon. Choose color and then set it to a suitable color. I choose white. Okay, so once you are done, you click next and then it looks nice and then finish. Okay, so once you do that, the logo will be indicated here. File and then go to build and then build APK. After a few minutes, you'll get a notification. If the notification doesn't appear, you click on the symbol notification, which is the bell. If you can't see, it's here, notification, and then you'll get this build APK successfully for one module. Okay, click on locate, and you'll get this debug. Okay, and then this one, debug app minus debug.apk. Copy this and install it to your phone. Okay, so for example, I already installed it on my phone. Okay, this is the app, Imran Drawer. Okay, so customize the home, customize the photo content, and one of the content must show your photo. Okay, for example here, if I want to run my app, I just click the run app button, which is at the top, and then my phone will display the app, and then I can see my phone screen on my PC. Now we are going to edit some of the content of the app. Okay, example, if you look at the layout, there are a few screen that can be accessed here: fragment gallery, fragment home, and fragment slideshow. So if you double click fragment gallery.xml, okay, you can modify the content of the gallery. If you double click fragment home, you can edit the content of the home. So let's say you want to put a photo. Okay, some of the menu are hidden. So if you see some of my shortcut are not on your screen, sometimes it's hidden. Like for example here, the palette, you have to click palette, it will show you the button, text, and so on. So I want to insert an image. So it's under palette widget, image view. Okay, drag and drop. Right, then you can click import drawables. Okay, then you find an image from your computer. Okay, browse, and then okay, click OK. And then next, all right, Imran the game. All right, this one you just click import, and it will appear in one of the lists here at the bottom here. So insert this and then click OK. So that's how you insert an image. If it doesn't appear, just repeat the same step. Make sure you follow the one that I shown just now. Okay, so resizing the image and so on, this one can be adjusted under the attribute. So if the attribute is not visible, again, sometimes it's hidden. If you click this button, it become a small shortcut here, attribute. If you want to expand, just click attribute. Or if you find that if some of the menu are missing, you can reset your layout. Here, go to File, and then Window, and then Layout. Then you can reset everything to default. So if your shortcut are missing, it's because they are hidden somewhere. Okay, for example, here if you don't list, if you don't have the list of file, it's because it's already collapsed. Expand is here, expand. Okay, so next, if you want to change the content of the next one, I'm done with home. Okay, next, gallery. So gallery, let's say you want to put some button, drag and drop the button. Okay, and then you can change the text of the button somewhere here under the attribute. Okay, change the text here. Okay, what else? If you look at the menu, if you want to change the text or the caption of the menu, you can use Control Shift F. Control Shift F on your keyboard. Control Shift F is to find within the files. Okay, so let's say you want to, you don't have a slideshow. So one of the thing, let's say you want to change the slideshow to something else. Okay, so you search for the word slideshow. Okay, it appears somewhere, for example, in particular file. So that is where you can edit it. I already have the slideshow replaced with the word about. Okay, so you search for the word in project. The shortcut for the menu, the left menu, is in the file string.xml. Okay, string, because I search this, it is located in string.xml. So sometimes it takes searching before you can find out where is the particular file that um, allows you to adjust the menu. Okay, so string is somewhere under, if you want to know the location of the file, it's at the, it will be indicated at the bottom here. Your project, app src main res value string.xml. So if you want to change the menu, here is the word home. You don't want home, you can replace it with something else. Gallery, let's say you want to replace with photo, you can change the word gallery with photo. Okay, for example here, photo. Okay, once you are done, don't forget to save, and then run it to your phone. Okay, if you don't have your phone, you can click run in Pixel 3a, but it will take you longer time. Maybe if your computer is slow, it will take a few minutes before it appear on your computer. Okay, so I already pair with my phone, so it's easier if I run it on my phone. Okay, next, if you want to publish the APK, there are several ways, but the easiest way is after you run the project, you can build and then build APK. Okay, this is the easier way, or you can find another method which is more steps. This is the easier one. Okay, go to build, and then build and then build. Run. Okay, the easier way is build. Another way is build APK bundle, build APK. This one you can search in YouTube how to produce the APK, but the other method is longer. Okay. Okay. If your Android is not responding, actually it is doing something. Yeah. Usually at the bottom it will show you what it is doing. Processes. Okay, so it will show you what are the progress it is doing. Sometimes when you click a button, it doesn't respond because it is downloading some file. Okay, so for your task, try to get some content like your photo and so on. Okay, so here after a few minutes, build completely successful for one module, and then it tell me that it is already done with the APK. So click the locate button, you'll get this file APK. Okay, this one is the one that you have to test on your phone. You can transfer this to your Android phone and then install, and then that's how your final app look like. Okay, but before you get the final app, you can actually preview. This time around, I won't click this because it will take longer time to execute the Pixel 3a previewer. Okay, that's all.